Hello everyone. Welcome to Study Wides Education. Study Wides Education. Daily Current Affairs Vertical Bar 17th July 2021. Q.1 The company developed the new Shepard launch system, which has received flight approval. ANS. Blue Origin. Q.2 The country's first grain ATM has been set up as a pilot project. ANS. Gurugram, Haryana. Q.3 Which space agency has successfully conducted the third long-duration hot test of the liquid jet propellant development engine? ANS. ISRO. Q.4 Gautam Adani's Adani Group has completed the acquisition of which airport? ANS. Mumbai International Airport. Q.5 Who has been appointed by the Modi government as the leader of the House in the Rajya Sabha just before the monsoon session? ANS. Piyush Goyal. Q.6 Who has launched the nationwide campaign Safe Van, Dhan and Udyam with COVID vaccine through virtual medium? ANS. Arjun Munda. Q.7 Who has launched an application for grievance management powered by artificial intelligence in New Delhi? ANS. Rajnath Singh. Q.8 Delhi government has partnered with which company to provide real-time information about buses to the passengers? ANS. Google. Q.9 How many years of Skill India mission have been completed? ANS. 6 years. Q.10 The Union Cabinet has approved the agreement between India and which country on cooperation in coking coal? ANS. Russia. Thank you so much for watching. Signing off.